Today's modern workforce is really causing problems with our customers today. We used to talk about the perimeter approach, and once you came into that perimeter, you were safe and secure. And unfortunately, we just don't work in that environment anymore. We have people working in coffee shops, we have people working at customer sites, but you still have to have access to your data. The rapid adoption of IoT devices has really opened the door for threat actors.
Every organization is at risk from being involved in a security event simply because they have something of value. And just like a physical, tangible item, that something of value can be taken from them and exploited.
Compunet is really focused on joint network and security solutions to ensure that our customers' teams are fully interactive with each other, thereby making sure that no gaps are left during operations.
It's really important today for networking and security teams to work together. There's so much overlap and there's so many gaps and holes that if they're not working as one, they're going to leave a gaping hole for an attacker to come in.
Compunet has an engineering-led model. This means that we lead with relationships and value through engineering engagement at the beginning of a engagement with our customer, fall clear through the end of their project. This brings value in that you're working with the same person, skill set, and local proximity to you through an entire project. Compunet engages at multiple layers within an organization. We work with customer executives, we work with IT teams, but we also work with the lines of business that are focused on the needs and direction and strategy of the business in between those layers. This is important because networking and security touch all layers of a business.
At Compunet, our engineers truly do partner with our customers. We think of them as part of the family. We want to be their trusted advisor. We want them to be picking up the phone and calling us when they have a question, when they're not quite sure which technology they should go with, regardless of if they're going to purchase it from us.
The security framework acts as sort of a roadmap, and it's a great way for companies to go through and make sure that they're hitting all the bases and considering things that they wouldn't otherwise execute against. In larger organizations particularly, individuals are usually so focused on their portion of the pie that having a framework helps us look at the whole thing holistically and make sure we're looking at every single aspect of a security portfolio.
Network automation in the network is really helping to standardize and streamline processes. Without automation, we have manual processes that are prone to error. And it's not that they're intentional errors, but every time a manual process is run, there's potential for a breach or a potential breach in the environment. Automation is really what is driving organizations to be able to scale at a high volume in their network.
Compunet's approach to security is unique because we start with an infrastructure mindset and go from the ground up building security in at every step of the way. Our company's been built on the idea of connectivity and a solid infrastructure, and so our security is woven into that. We also incorporate open frameworks whenever possible so that we're looking at a variety of different security solutions, not necessarily tied to one manufacturer's line card or one trend in the industry. We like to be flexible and help our customers achieve maturity, not just achieve product implementation.
The customer is at the center of every engagement that we do. Compunet has a sophisticated strategy in how we approach the market, but the unique aspect is that Compunet has realized that culture trumps strategy every day. And the culture at Compunet is customer focused, it's do the right thing, and it's always keep the customer value in mind. When we do that, our strategy is far above and beyond any of our competitors.